Mastering the court. Understanding running the floor in basketball. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase from the world of basketball that often pops up in English conversations. Running the floor. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is tailored for you. So, let's dive into the dynamic world of basketball and decode the meaning behind this popular phrase. Running the floor is a term widely used in basketball to describe a player's action during a fast break or transition play. But it's not just about speed. It's about strategic movement. When a player is running the floor, they are swiftly moving from one end of the court to the other, aiming to create scoring opportunities or to defend against the opposing team's fast break. It's a term that encapsulates agility, foresight, and teamwork. In basketball, running the floor is crucial for both offense and defense. On offense, a player who excels at this can quickly advance the ball for a layup or an open shot, catching the defense off guard. Defensively, running the floor means transitioning rapidly to protect the basket, ensuring that the opposing team doesn't get an easy score. It's a skill that showcases a player's athleticism and understanding of the game. Interestingly, the phrase, running the floor, has transcended beyond the basketball court. In everyday English, it can metaphorically describe someone who is taking charge, leading a project, or moving things forward efficiently in any field, not just sports. It conveys a sense of dynamism and proactive action, making it a versatile addition to your English expressions. And that's a wrap on running the floor. We've seen how this phrase paints a picture of speed, strategy, and leadership both inside and outside the basketball court. I hope this video has enriched your understanding and appreciation of this dynamic expression. Keep practicing, and you'll be running the floor in your English conversations in no time. See you in the next video.